Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add page numbers in Canva. So you might want to add page numbers to something like an ebook, like you can see I've got here. So I've headed to the templates tab and I've typed in ebook template multiple pages. So I'm going to choose one of the templates and add page numbers. So quite like the look of this one. So I'm going to click on the template, click on customize this template. Now we're going to look at adding page numbers. So as you can see, there's quite a few pages here. It'd be quite frustrating to have to go ahead and add a page number yourself by clicking on, text and then number. But what you can do is click on text, and there is a section for adding page numbers, which will do it all for you really quickly. So all I need to do is click on page numbers, and they've been added to my design. So I can also edit these, so I can change the format. So I can click on that. I can have like numbers only, page plus number, page X of Y, something like that. So I can click on that and click over onto my design and have a look. It says page 1, page 2. If I don't like that, I can click on to them and I can click on text again and edit those page numbers. So I can change it to numbers only, page X of Y, and you can also say which pages you want to show numbers on. And once you're happy, you can apply properties to all pages or remove the page numbers if you don't want them. Another thing what you can do is if you don't want it on the right hand side, I can just drag and drop it over to the other side really easily. So you can do some manual edits as well. So that's it. That's how to add page numbers in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.